Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily avoid tolls on Google Maps. So, at first, to avoid tolls, we have to create our route. So let me turn on directions to Warsaw from our random location in Krakow. It's as you can see here. And now, to avoid tolls, we have to tap the three lines here and mark avoid tolls here. And now our route is not really changed because we have no routes, but if we make a further route, it will definitely change. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.